What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, oh shit, fucking D. Finally, I have caught myself some DEPO headlights, man. You guys don't know how long I've been waiting for these. Pretty sure since COVID started from last year, they just been out of stock and I just couldn't find them anywhere because the ones I have in the Z, man, they're not it, man. They're really bad, and I've showed it in the videos a couple of times how bad they are, but today I got some fresh new headlights, and I'm so glad I finally got my hands on one of the sets. Bro, if you guys could look at these, look at how bad they are. It might not be bad for you guys, but to me, you guys know me. If you guys have been following the channel for a very long time, you guys know I like to have my Z really on point. Anything that bugs me, I have to fix it, or else I just feel fucking bad. Like the side skirts, if you guys haven't seen the last video, make sure you go in the description, make sure you guys watch that video. But yeah, check this one out, guys. This one is pretty bad too. When I opened them up, I burnt the lens on this side and I broke the clip on this side. But I mean, overall they're not bad. They're OEM. They have been opened like 3 times. 2 times, let's just say 2 times, because the first time I opened them I put the demon eyes, and the second time I painted the whole thing gloss black. So they might be up for sale soon after I install these DEPO headlights. So before I start this video, if you guys could do me a huge favor, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure you guys could subscribe because I've been posting a lot lately, and yeah, a lot more content coming for you guys. Like I said, give me like 2 more months. I'm about to turn up the boost for the Z. I'm shooting for 14-15 pounds on full 85. Now that I have a daily, I could finally go full 85 on the Z. The Z is finally going full 85. All I need to buy is the injectors, and that's pretty much it. The fuel pump should get me to 550 anywhere. I just want to hit 550 wheel horsepower because 370, 8 pounds of boost is not it. Yeah, in last October I boosted the Z, I tuned in everything, so now in October I'm about to head to LA again, and hopefully everything goes out good. I get to finally turn up the boost and pretty much low-key double it. So yeah, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the DEPO headlights and show you guys what you guys are missing. Because if you guys have shitty headlights or have the DE headlights, man, you guys need to upgrade to these DEPO headlights. So if you guys do end up getting DEPO headlights, the only bad thing is they don't come with the ballast or the light bulb. So if you have a 06 and up, just transfer it to your new headlight. And if you have a DE, sorry, but you guys have to get HR ballast and light bulb. So enough talking, let's go ahead and remove the front bumper and install these bad boys. So to remove the headlight, all you do is to remove this bolt here, bolt down here, and bolt down here, and they're all 10 mils. So yeah, if you don't have one in your garage, that sucks, because 10 mils, you lose those shits hella fast. So like I said, The install is super easy, but the part that's going to take a little while is install all the ballasts, all the wires, the bulb into a new DEPO headlight. Can't complain though, because these are going to look super fresh. Look at these compared to these. Let me know what style you guys like, all blacked out or blacked out with the silver part in the middle. I think it'll look really good with the silver, just because I have this silver, and you know, it's gonna match really good. But I can't complain with the all blacked out either. Sometimes I just really think about it like, damn, I really have a boosted Z. Like, so the first one is already done. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, but actually it's super easy. I put this tape here just because I don't want this to be hitting the tire, and because that shit already happened one time and it messed up everything. So yeah, super easy. All you really have to do is just, this is the old one, obviously this is gone through hell and back, but remove the ballast and remove this part here as so. There you go. And then the bolt. Damn. Bruh. Tell me these don't look fire. If you have messed up headlights, make sure you cop some DEPO headlights, man, because this it's simple as some headlights that will change the whole look of the car. That's crazy. But this is the real test. Let me see if I connected it right. Okay, both of them work. Gotta make sure the actual headlights work before I put the bumper back on. Let's check it out. Bam. Bam. So both headlights are working now. All I gotta do is put the front bumper back on and give the Z a quick wash so everything could be looking A1. That's exactly what I needed. So I'm going on a little drive just because I want to show you guys how beautiful the Z is looking. I'm gonna go to the spot real quick and do a little walk around of the Z because I feel like it's a must. And at my house there's not really good lighting, so you know, a little POV to end the video, it's always good, you know. faster right there. That's cute, but I think I need more power. Honestly, at this point of stage, all I'm trying to focus on is power. I do plan to get bigger injectors right now, so I literally got everything that bugged me out of the way, like the side skirts and the headlights. So now I really want to focus on buying bigger injectors and reaching 13-14 pounds of boost, so that way I could be in the mid 500s or low 500s. It doesn't matter, I just want to hit 500s. But yeah guys, I'm pretty much done with the exterior. I don't see anything else I need to upgrade on. Maybe just some welds in the back, but I don't really plan to get that anytime soon, just because they're really expensive. They're literally like an arm and a leg just for two, but I do plan to get those eventually in the future. Everything else looks pretty mint. Interior, nothing else I want to do. Yeah, I don't think I ever sell the Z because it looks pretty badass. Sheesh, keep that lighting though. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe, because once I turn up the boost, you know me, I'll be out there handing out L's.